guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be creating the look using this HudaBeauty Amethyst Obsession palette. Let's begin. First thing first, foundation. For this look I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty foundation. Let's go, focus check. I just dabbed this on to my face. I love this foundation. It gives a very natural, beautiful coverage and it's just beautiful. I then blend it using my beauty blender. I dampen my beauty blender a little so it's easier to blend my foundation. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Makeup Forever HD Concealer. I love this product. It's so lightweight and gives a brilliant coverage. Blending it all out, making sure there are no harsh lines. And I think we're done. I now lock in my under eye using a translucent powder. Girls, make sure a translucent powder and compact are two different things. Here comes our star product. I'm going to start with the lightest shade of the palette. I'm going to apply it to my crease using a fluffy brush. Making sure I leave no harsh line and blend it properly in a circular motion. Next, I'm going to go in with a slightly darker shade from the palette. I'm going to apply it to my crease where I had applied the previous shade, but blend it little and not as much as I did before. This will give me a nice gradation from dark to light, giving an illusion of my eyes being bigger. Now I'm going to use this beautiful iridescent sheen for my lid. I'm going to apply it to my lids using a slightly damp brush. This will make the sheen even more prominent and blend it with my crease. I'm going to apply the previous colors to my lower lash line to complete the look. Now I'm going to take the darkest color from the palette and put it corner of my eyes, like a small V. This will complete your look, giving it a nice, soft, smoky look. Make sure to blend all your colors in together so no prominent color is seen. Finish the look using your favorite mascara, mine being Better Than Sex by Too Faced. And we are done with the eyes. What do you think? Now the face? Now time to contour. The usual, make a fishy face and fill in the hollows of your cheek. Make sure to blend it well. Contour your jawline and your nose. For blush, I'm going to go in with a nude natural color as the eyes are too bright. Then comes your highlighter. For this, I'm going to use the Strobe Cream Liquid Highlighter. I love this product as it gives a nice natural glow without making it look chalky and cakey. I just love this product. Max Strobe Cream, girls. Make sure you blend it well so you don't have any patches or spots shining through. Time for the last thing, lipstick. I'm going to finish this look using a nice subtle coral pink color. You can go in for any nude color but not a pop of color. And we're done. Do let me know what you think about this look and do not forget to comment, share, like this page and oh yes, subscribe too. Don't forget, girls, and I will see you soon. Bye.